Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I just received an email from DeWalt Corporate letting me know about a couple new products, and I'm just going to read it exactly like it came from the press release dated yesterday, December 6th, 2022. DeWalt has released new Flextorq square drive modular right angle attachments available in 1/4 inch, model number DWAMRA14FT, or 3/8 inch DWAMRA38FT square drive. Benefits include socket seamlessly attach, eliminating the need for additional socket adapters. Forged gears withstand tough applications and provide up to 10 times longer life. 2-in-1 design allows users to quickly switch between standard and ultra compact attachments. 1.5 inch head height for ultimate accessibility. Now, whenever I get these emails, I always ask if there are samples available. Sometimes I get them and sometimes I don't, just because there are so many products, and I'd imagine my fellow YouTube friends are also asking for them as well. But if I do get them, I will do a follow-up video. I do have a full-length video with the DWAMRASETFT, which is a very close cousin to it. It just doesn't have the square drive. So this was instrumental this summer. I had a friend who had a deck that needed a few floorboards fixed, and there was a section where there were already railing attached, and the only way to get underneath the railing to the floorboards was to use this tool. So it is definitely invaluable. If you haven't seen this full-length video, check it out. I'll link it here in the description of this video. So I thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube and also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, I thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.